Alright guys, welcome back to a new episode. I'm Zain from Titan Auto House. And yes, today we are doing a project for Urban Body Kits. Let's see what car has arrived. So this is the Defender 110 and we've got the wheel cover and side vents ready today, but also the side steps is coming on its way. So let me show you guys what the customers has ordered from us. So yeah, let me show you the wheel cover first. This is the black wheel cover with the Urban word. The emblem is not on yet. We'll take off the protective film before we put on the wordings. And here, this is the side vent. The side vents comes in gloss black, but for this part here, customer requested to match back to its original body color. So later on, we'll take off a part from this car body to match the color and do spray painting. This will take a couple of days before we do the installation for customer. So of course, they have the emblem to finish off after the spray paint. Okay guys, today is another day, and yes, the Defender is back to do its installation. You can see here, the color is slightly different. When it first came, it was glossy. Customer went to do a matte finishing PPF. I think this color looks quite sick. So yeah, today we'll be installing two items. One are the side vents and one is the wheel cover. So you can see it's an easy slip-on and easy to remove as well. And it has the embossed Urban logo here. Hey guys, yes, this green Defender is back with us today, and today the Urban side steps has finally arrived from UK. Check this out. Okay, so what we have got here is this black shadow hex design, and the other one is the black shadow checkered design. So yeah, I think this design here is more sleek compared to the checkered one is more rugged. So it depends on what type of setup and looks you're going for. You can choose which design you want. The Urban black shadow side steps comes in finished black color. So yeah, it looks like a simple installation, but let us leave it to the professional. And without further ado, let's move on to the installation. Okay guys, so we're finally done with the modification on this car. So what we have done is three parts. One is the side vents, Urban side steps, and also the wheel cover.